Welcome to DXT School. Today's lesson is about phrasal-verb lesson. Master change. 5 phrasal verbs for new situations. Learn 5 essential English phrasal verbs to confidently navigate new experiences and adapt to changes in your life. Look into, use, look into. When you need to research or investigate a situation, idea, or problem before making a decision. It implies a detailed examination. We need to look into several options before deciding on a new apartment. Think over, use, think over. When you need to consider a decision or idea carefully, usually for some time, before reaching a conclusion. It suggests reflection. I'll think over your job offer and get back to you by Friday. Go with, use, go with. When you choose one option from several possibilities or agree to a particular plan or idea. It indicates a final decision. I think we should go with the first proposal, it looks the most promising. Cope with, use, cope with. When you manage or handle a difficult or stressful situation successfully. It means you are able to continue functioning despite challenges. She's learning to cope with the demands of her new leadership role. Settle into, use, settle into. When you become accustomed to a new place, job, or routine and start to feel comfortable there. It takes time and effort. It took a few weeks, but he's finally settling into his new school. Practice using these verbs when talking about choices or new environments. Listen for them in movies and conversations to hear natural usage. These phrasal verbs help you navigate the entire process of facing, deciding on, and adjusting to new life changes. If you learned something new, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson. Find the full lesson and more free quizzes on SCHOOL.